Turning right up ahead. Into the right hand wheel track, right indicator on. Check left. Check right. Into the right hand wheel track. Speed limit's 50. Check camera. Check mirrors. Check right. Check right. Turning right. Keep it in the right hand track. Turning right at the stop. Right indicator on. Focus on the line. Stop. Check. Good to go. Pull away. Good to go into the right hand lane. Right lane, left track. Speed limit 80. Check right. Check forward. Check left. Watch the two utes. Back to the left hand track. Check right. Check mirrors. Check speed. Check right, watch the blue car on the right hand side. Check speed. Check left, watch the black ute on the left. Check left. Turning right up ahead. Look over. Move over. Right indicator on. Exit at speed. Slow down in the turning lane. Have to stop at the line in the right hand wheel track, aimed at the right hand wheel track. Good to go. Off we go. Check left. Turning left. Left black. Left indicator. Slow down. Turn left. Back to the right hand wheel track. Check left. Turning right. Cresting a blind hill to the left hand side. Check left. Check left. Turning left in the left hand track. Check right. Into the left hand track for the sharp end. Check right. Keep it in the left. Back out to the right. Right indicator on. Look over. Turn. Right indicator. Approach the curb 90 degrees. And up the hill.